Channing Tatum, you know, is one of the stars of the Hateful Eight. Channing could not be here in person tonight, but he wanted to be part of the show. All right, relax. But anyway, we came up with a weird idea that I won't say it needs no introduction. All I will say is that it wouldn't make any more sense if it had one.
You're such a piece of
Dude, you eat out your own every single day. All day long.
Hey, kitten. You smell like garbage and fish, bro. I'm gonna do an impression of you, okay? This is exactly you. You know what sucks about you? You don't have thumbs, dude. That sucks for you. I got thumbs. They're right where my middle fingers are.
Look, dude, you in a box. You're a pussy.
You know what, dude? I've looked and where's your You have huge, fluffy balls, but no Where the is your like...